What is ratio? Ratio is the comparison between two similar or like quantities. Ratio is measured in like units or quantities of the same kind. The first quantity of the ratio called antecedent and second quantity called consequent. How to write a ratio? There are three ways to write a ratio. The ratio of A and B is A to B. We can write this in words by putting 2 between A and B. A colon B using a colon, or we can say A is to B. We can write this also ratio in the form of a fraction where A and B represent two quantities. For example, there are 2 pentagons and 3 triangles. So what is the ratio of the pentagon and triangle? We can write the ratio as 2:3 or 2:3 or 2/3. These are the three different ways to write a ratio. We can read this colon sign as is 2. And we have also discussed that the first quantity of the ratio is called antecedent and the second quantity of the ratio is called consequent. So these are the three ways to write a ratio. How to find a ratio? We have to find the ratio of two quantities that are 4 km and 2 km. Here you can see both the quantities are like or same because they are having the same unit, kilometer and kilometer. So we can find its ratio very easily. So let's begin the solution. We will write ratio as ratio is equals to 4:2. We can also write this into the fraction form. So we will solve it further. 4 and 2 both are divisible by 2. So we will divide 4 and 2 by 2 and we will get 2:1. So the ratio of 4 km and 2 km is 2:1. Here we have to find the ratio of rupees 130 and rupees 390. So these two are the like quantities because their units are same, rupees and rupees, so we can find their ratios easily. We will write ratio is equals to 130 is to 390. Now 0 of 130 and 390 will be cancelled. What is left after this? 13:39. Now we will divide 13 and 39 by 13. 13 divided by 13 equals to 1 and 39 divided by 13 equals to 3. So the ratio of rupees 130 and rupees 390 is 1:3. One more question. Now here we have three quantities, 130 ml, 220 ml and 370 ml. We can also find the ratio of more than two quantities. So now let's find its ratio. Their units are same, ml, ml and ml, so these are the like quantities. So we can find their ratio easily. We'll simply write all the three quantities by putting the * sign between them. 130 is to 220 is to 370. Again we can cancel the 0. All the three quantities. Now what is left here? So the ratio of these three quantities are 13 is to 22 is to 37. One more sum. Now we have to find the ratio of 4 meter and 200 centimeter. Now you can see here that these two are not the like quantities, their units are different. Here meter is written and here centimeter is written. So in order to find the ratio, we need the same quantities or the like unit. We will convert this meter into centimeter, or we can also convert the centimeter into meter. It's up to you, in order to get the like quantities or the similar quantities. So let's begin the solution. As we know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter, then 4 meter will be equals to 100 into 4 equals to 400 centimeter. So we are going to convert this 4 meter into centimeter. So after converting we will get 400 and then 200. So the ratio is 400 is to 200. Now we'll cancel 0 of 400 with 0 of 200. So what is left? 4 is to 2. After this we can reduce it further. We'll divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So the ratio of 4 meter and 200 meter is 2 is to 1. So whenever there are unlike quantities, if their units are different, first we will change this into a same unit, and after this we will find the ratio of the given quantities. One more example. Here we have to find the ratio of 5000 gram and 2 kilogram. Again the units are different. The quantities are not same or like, so we will first change into a like quantities. We can convert gram into kilogram or kilogram into gram. It's up to your convenience. So I'm going to change the kilogram into gram. As we know that 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. So 2 kilogram will be equal to 1000 multiplied by 2 equals to 2000 gram. So we have changed or convert this 2 kilogram into 2000 gram. Now the quantities are same, the units are same, so we can find their ratios easily. Then the ratio will be equal to 5000 and then 2000. After this we will cancel the zeros of both the quantities. What will be left? 5 is to 2. So the ratio of 5000 gram and 2 kilogram is 5 is to 2. One more example. Here in this question we have to find the ratio between two fractions. These two are unlike fractions, so we have to find the ratio between these two fractions. How can we find the ratio? First of all, we will convert both the fractions into the same denominator. We will multiply the first fraction by 8 and then multiply the second fraction by 3 in order to get the same denominators. Now solve it further. 2 8s are 16 and 3 8s are 24. Now we have 5 3s are 15 and 8 3s are 24. Now 24 and 24 will be cancelled with each other, and what is left here? 16 is to 15. So the ratio of 2 upon 3 and 5 upon 8 is 16 is to 15. In this way we can convert the fractions into a ratio. So now there is a short test for you. Can you find the ratio of the given quantities? Here few of the sums are given: $9 and $720, 250 gram and 2 kilogram, 4 upon 3 and 5 upon 6. So good luck and thank you.